Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you some exercises that can be done using a resistance band. The resistance bands come in a variety of strengths, so please choose one to suit your ability. Also, read the disclaimer on my channel before you start any of the exercises. So to start, I'm going to stand with my feet hip distance apart, with the band in the palm of my hand, with my thumbs firmly on top, elbows close to my sides. Working the rotary cuff, I'm going to bring the arm out to one side and then return. Changing the arm and back. And again. I've got 6, 4, 2, and 1. Now both hands together if you can. Breathe out and in. So we're doing this really gently, warming up the arms. I've got 4, 2, and 1. I'm now going to stand in the middle of the band. You can choose to stand with 1 foot or 2. It's entirely your choice. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you've got some good resistance in both hands with the band. I'm going to lift one arm out to the side, keeping my arms slightly bent without locking my elbows. Breathe out and breathe in. Changing arms. Breathe out and in. I've got 8. I've got 4. Now I'm going to work both arms together. Keep the shoulders down and relaxed. Breathe in, exhale, and down. And again. Tummy in. I've got 4, 2, and 1. Front arm raises now, still keeping the arms just a little bit bent. Lift one arm up to the front, release it down, changing arms, not allowing the band to come higher than your shoulder. I've got 6, 4, 2, and 1. Both arms together, lift and down, lift and down. Breathe out. I've got 4, I've got 2, and last one. My repetitions are only guidelines, so do as few or as many as you want to. So now I'm going to work bicep curls. Standing back on my band, I don't know why I stood off it. Elbows close to my side. I'm going to lift and lower down. Alternating. Keep the elbows close to my side. Working the front of the arms. I've got 4, 2, and 1. Are we ready? Both arms together. I'll just turn to the side, pull up and down. Breathe out and in. I've got 4, 2 and 1. Now I'm going to work the tricep. We've worked the bicep, now for the tricep. Always work the opposite muscle as well with any exercise. I'm going to place part of the band in my hand on my right shoulder with a piece of band in my right hand. Start with my elbow back and extend my arm and bend. Extend my arm and bend. I've got 4. Hold it here and small pulses back, straight arm. Making sure the wrist is in line with the forearm and the shoulder, and rest down. Changing sides. Placing a piece of that band in your hand on the shoulder, elbow back. Breathe in, start with the elbow back and take the arm back. Breathe in and out. I've got 4, 2, hold this last one, 10 small pulses, straight arm. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Well done. So now I'm going to come onto my knees and do a small box press up using the resistance band behind my back. So onto my knees and placing my hand underneath my shoulders. Making sure I've got some resistance in that band. Breathing in, nose to the floor and coming up, keeping the elbows a little bit bent, down and up. Breathe in and out. I've got 4, 2 and 1. Sit back on your heels, feeling that nice stretch. And now I'm going to lay on my back, piece of the band in both hands, and bringing my hands to the floor. Breathe in, slowly lift my back off the floor into my bridge and lowering back down. Squeezing my glutes and lowering down. I've got 8. I've got 4. 2 and 1. Now, working my legs, I'm placing a piece of the band around the foot. Still laying onto my back. Bring the knee into my chest, extend the leg up towards the ceiling with my elbows on the floor. Circling that leg, keeping the hand still. So you should feel a hamstring stretch here. I've got 4 circles to go. And change the other way. Four circles. Well done. Bring the other leg up and place the other leg down on the floor. Are we ready? 10 circles. Making sure your back is firmly in your mat. I've got 4. And change. I've got 4. Well done. Carefully take that band off. Now, placing the band around my first leg, bending the underneath leg. Prop yourself up onto your elbow with your foot flexed and your knee and toe facing the front. Band firmly down on the floor. We don't want it lifting up, we want it firmly down on the mat. Breathe in, straight leg, lift and lower down. I'm working with 10. I've got 8. I've got 4. Keep that stretch on the side. 2 and 1. I'm carefully going to place my other foot inside and take this top leg and place it on the floor, laying all the way down and firmly hold that band. Flex the foot. We're going to work the underneath leg, keeping it straight. Are we ready to lift for 10? Lift and down. Tummy in. I've got 8. 4, 2 and 1. If you're clever enough, you don't need to move that band. And come over onto the other side. Prop yourself up onto your elbow, foot and knee facing the front. Feeling that stretch, you're not slouching down in your mat. We're ready to lift for 10. Lift and down. I've got 4, 2 and 1. Carefully place the other foot in and take this top leg away and come all the way down, holding that band firmly. Straight leg lift, underneath leg, lift and lower. I've got 8. 4, 2 and 1. I'm going to finish with my favourite band exercise. I hope you'll enjoy it. Placing the band around the feet, up nice and tall. And slowly lower your back all the way down to your mat. Breathe in and exhale, lifting my head, my shoulders, using my tummy muscles to come back up and lowering down again. Curling up. I've got 3 more. Breathing in to go down. Breathing out to come up. The more you do of these, the easier they become. And last one. If you enjoyed those, give me the thumbs up and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.